Hi, this is the Pixel tab and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search bar enter the Ampere. And now we should get this first application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, click here to open button. To yes, I agree, pick close, tap the OK, and you'll see here information about your battery health. And in my case, the battery is in a good condition. And also we got here more information you could use, like the battery status, level, capacity, voltage, model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.